Hi guys, this is Magdalena from Replic and I am so excited to share with you our newest feature where we are going to give you the option to make videos without recording a video. Yes, you heard that right. So by using your own photo and a text, we're going to be able to make videos with your leads backgrounds in the background of your video at scale. And we're going to make you the presenter of your video and using variables that's customized to each lead. So the variables can be up to 150 characters long, which means that you can customize full sentence that's customized to each of your leads. And I am convinced that this is going to change the outreach game for good, where you're having yourself as the presenter and your leads backgrounds in the background of your video. And this is perfect for everyone who is not a video person, or maybe you're having an agency working with clients where you don't want to ask your clients for a video. You can, by using their LinkedIn photo or just any front-faced image, making them the presenter of their video, and then using text to create videos and increase the impact on their campaigns, increasing the metrics and booking more meetings. So if you're curious on how that's done, then check this out. So let's dive into it. So here you have the new interface of Replic, where you're having the normal option on the right, where you're uploading or recording your own video. So if you click on that one, you're going to come to the normal dashboard that you're used to. But if you want to use our new function, you just choose the button on the left. And the first step is that we are going to ask you to upload a photo of yourself. And this is important that you're using a front-faced image. So here I'm going to actually use our CTO's picture because he's not so much of a video person. So, but today is going to be one. So I'm going to use him to make him the presenter of our video. So I'm going to go to LinkedIn. I'm saving his profile picture and then I'm going to upload that one into Replic. Okay. If you don't want to use a photo of yourself, you can use one of our avatars. And we just made a few samples here. If you have any other ideas or requests, please jump on the chat. I'm there almost all the time, and give me your suggestions, and I'm sure that we can be able to make that for you. So when we've chosen our avatar or our picture, we're going to click next. So already you can see that the picture just came to life. You can see that he's starting to move. And now we're going to put a script for him to talk and choosing a voice. So here we're going to put an introduction to our script. So in the intro, you can use variables. And the variables that you can use is the job title, company name, first name, or an icebreaker. And the icebreaker can be the whole sentence for the introduction, so that you can customize the introduction to each of your leads. And this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you my file, how that's going to look like. And just to try out the voice, we're going to choose one of our pre-made prompts here. So we just made intro templates for you to have an idea what to write there, or if you're just making a quick test, then you can choose one of ours. Okay, so we're just going to choose a voice, and we have different voices in different languages, and if you're missing some or want more of something, just let me know in the chat. I would love to know. So I'm just going to choose a US male voice here, and we're just going to test the voice.
Impressed by what your first name. I came across company name and was impressed by what you're doing.
Okay, so this sounds great to me, so I'm just going to put hi and then icebreaker, and going to go to next. And whichever variables you use, you obviously need to make sure that this variable is in your lead file that you're uploading in Replic. So I'm going to upload my list soon, and I'm going to show you how my list look like. But before that, we're going to click next. And here you are supposed to write your pitch. Okay, so this pitch is going to be the same for everyone. So what we're going to do is that we're going to merge this part with the personalized introduction, making different videos adapted to each lead with the introduction. This part is supposed to be the same for everyone. Okay, so the example I have here is like you can write with Replic, you can easily automate your outreach while still delivering a human touch, blah, 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 or your pitch there. But if you don't know what to write or not very good with words, or it's like, yeah, what should I say? You can use our generator to generate the script for you. And this is also awesome if you're, for instance, working with a client, if you're an agency and don't know perfectly how to put their sales pitch, then you can just put a prompt and let Replic generate the script for you. And you can either put the prompt by hand, like write a sales script for whatever you want to have a sales script for, or you can just choose one of our templates that we made as examples. And I'm just going to put one here, which says, write a short sales pitch without being salesy on why marketing managers, so here you're supposed to remove marketing managers and put your own target, would consider using video prospection instead of their old solution to get more meetings. And here it's the USP of your service. Address their challenges and pique their curiosity with our solution. Okay, so you're replacing our template with your say, instead of marketing managers, we can say sales managers, or whatever, whichever your target is, right? And then here is obviously used for replic video prospection, but then you're just putting your solution there. And whenever we have a prompt, we're just going to put generate your script. And there you have it. So there you have a suggestion for the sales script for your video. You can add more here to it if you like. You can also start changing if you didn't like our for instance, like I don't want the first question here, I'm going to remove that, and you can remove it and replace it with what you want. But this is an idea for you to not needing to put too much time on writing your script. And if you didn't like it, you can also put to generate video script again, and then you're going to get a twisted answer for that one. Let's see how that's going to turn out. Like that. Okay, so let's say that I want to add a call to action. Are you tricks for yours? Just like that as an example, and then we're clicking next. So now he came to life. Edgar is now the presenter of the video. He knows what to say, he have a voice. So what we need now is to work with the background of our video. So what we made now is the video in the bubble, but now we also need to put the website in the background of our video. Okay, so I'm going to put a file, and the file I'm using looks like this. So like I said, whatever variables you used in your introduction needs to be in the file here. And I use the icebreaker. So here I have icebreakers for each of my test leads here. So I chose myself and then the CEO of Lemlist and Apple. So for instance, I say, hi, Magdalena, I went to Replic's website. I happen to see that you guys just launched an AI feature to be able to make videos without recording a single video. Very impressive. So this is something they would see on my website, right? Or for Guillaume, I say that I have been following his journey since 2018, which I know when he started, and then their MRR. For Apple, I talk about the new iPhones that's coming and the colors that they have and the features that they have. So very specific, customized sentences for each of my leads. And I'm sure there are tools that make icebreakers like this. Whenever we create campaigns, usually we have someone doing that to make sure that each of the icebreakers are really personalized. And whenever I have this file, I'm just going to save it and upload that in Replic. So I'm uploading that file. We have all the columns. I click next. And then we just need to map the fields. So we have the URLs, is the URL, company name, first name, yes, icebreaker, perfect, next, submit. We're going to process the data, and then we come to the last step. Here you can choose the video title. This one is going to be shown here. So this is a scaled down preview of your video. So that's how the background is going to look like with the Replic website. So it's going to be scrolling, and then we're having Edgar presenting our video. And so we're choosing a video title, we're choosing our video description, we're choosing a text for our button. So it's going to pop a button here. So I'm going to put just our website. You can put your Calendly link or whatever, and then it's going to pop there. And if you want to hide Replic, you can upload your own logo here. So that it's not shown Replic, but your own logo type. And then you can choose to have the static background, like just a screenshot, or if you want the scrolling ones. And then you also have a moving mouse on the screen that you can remove if you like. So I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to keep the scrolling background. And then I'm going to start the video creation to see how this will turn out. So whenever it's started, it's going to be in queue. And we're going to see when it started. It's going to start counting down. So if you have a file of hundreds of URLs or videos that you're going to make, you will be able to follow where Replic is at during the time you are generating your videos. When it's ready, it's going to say ready, and are you ready to see how our videos turned out? So we're going to have a preview here, and then we're having Replic's video there, we have Lemlis video there, and we have Apple there, okay? And we're going to check out this video, how it turned out. So this is the video page to come to whenever you open a video, and we can see our video title here, and we can see the first name because that's what's in the file. When I uploaded that in Replic, you see the call to action button, and now we're going to see how the video turned out.
Hi Magdalena, I went to ReplyQ's website and I saw that you guys just launched an AI feature to be able to make videos without recording a single video.
So that was the introduction, and then?
As a sales manager, your time is valuable. You need to find a solution that will help you get more meetings with potential clients without wasting your time. That's where video...
And that's a video that's going to be a minute long, so that's how it turns out. Let's check another one out. So let's check out this one for Apple. We're going to see how that turns out. So this is the one for Apple.
Hi Tim, I went to Apple's website and I noticed that you just launched the new iPhone 50. It looks amazing in purple. As a sales manager, your time is valuable. You need to find a solution that will help you get more meetings with potential...
So you get the idea. You have the introduction with the variable, and then you have the generic script that's going to be same for everyone. And so we're going to now see how this is going to look like inside of an email. So if we're sending this video to someone through an email, how that will look. So we're going to copy this HTML email code, and this one you only use if you are sending it in a one-to-one email. So not this link for your outreach tool. I'm going to show that after how that looks like. But for now, we're just going to look to see how it looks like. So we're going to take that link and we're going to copy it. And this is how your prospects will receive your video, okay? So they're going to see their own website in the background of your video. They're going to see you as the presenter of the video talking. And then you're also going to have the video title here in the link and the first name of the prospect there, and then watch video. And this is like just, this combination is just truly amazing for me. Like if I receive a video like that in a cold email, I will definitely click and see what he's talking about in the video because he's on my website, right? I also have just an ultra short email introduction to deliver your video and a call to action that has to do with the video. Everything to drive the prospect to the video. And that's it. You don't need to have a bunch of text. You don't need to have a sales pitch. You don't need to have anything, because what the prospect is also expecting when they open a cold email is a bunch of text. So when they're opening an email and they're seeing this and very little text, I can promise you that they will want to click and hear what you have to say. Okay, so that's how it looks in email. We're also going to take this link and we're going to see how that will turn out inside of a LinkedIn message. So we have our group chat here, and I'm going to just send it like that. And there you have it. So this is how it's going to look inside of a LinkedIn message when you're sending it. Okay, and we also give you the option to change your custom domain so that it can be your own domain if you want to hide Replic completely. Okay, so yeah, and same here, you have the video title and the first name, depending of the video title you choose and if you're having the first name inside of your lead file. Yeah. Okay, so now we know how the video turned out. We know how it looks like inside of an email, in a LinkedIn message. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this inside of your outreach tool to be able to send this at scale, because that's the goal, right? We want to send this to all of our prospects and make personalized videos for each and every one of them, because we want to make this impact. So let's head over to Lemlist, and this is Lemlist that we're using. Basically, it's going to work the same way in most of the outreach tools. Some of the outreach tools need some additional steps. If you cannot figure it out, just jump on our chat. I'm there. I'm going to answer your questions and I'm going to guide you through it, okay? But most of the outreach tools, it's just going to be as simple as this. So what we're going to do is that we go back to Replic, we download the file that Replic gave us, and the file that we got looks like this. So what we did is that we just enriched the file with video links, and the white columns are from our original list. So they're going to be saved there, and all of the colored ones are enriched with links from Replic. So here we're going to go through the columns, what they mean. So whenever you're sending videos through LinkedIn, that's a social media outreach, okay? So then you're going to use the F column for your outreach tool. Result videos, share on social media, not on email. And if you're going to share it on emails, you're going to use this one, G column, which is the video HTML email code, only for emails, not for social media. And then we also have short HTML email codes for certain tools that doesn't allow more than 250 characters. This is if you know that your tool doesn't allow you more than characters than 250, then you use this one. Okay, so this is what you need to know. Share on social media, share on emails. So what we're going to do is that we're going to save this file as CSV, as test lemlist, and then we go to lemlist. And here you just need to upload that file, import from CSV, click to upload, test lemlist, and we click OK, continue. And here we have the video HTML email code. That's really important that we have. We are mapping our emails with emails. And what else? Yeah, that's it. So we continue in this campaign. So we have the leads here. We have our sequence here. We're going to put an email, and I'm going to put just a subject really short. Did you ever thought of this? Hi, just first name as a variable. I came across company name, this short video. So, and now we're going to add a custom variable that's going to be the video. And so we're going to check and we're going to find this one, video HTML email code. That's the same column that we had here, video HTML code. Okay, so that's the link. And in lemlist, we have it here. So we put it like that so that it can go and retrieve the right link for the right lead, okay? And what's your thoughts on this? And then I have a signature. Okay, so here is the template that I made now for all of my leads. And what we can do is that we can, after this, review our leads to see how it's going to turn out for each one of them. So whenever we put it like that, we can then just your local time zone and then review. Now we can review our leads, and as you can see, we have the first name. I came across Replic's website, and this is the thumbnail for the video there, and we have lemlist background there, and we have Apple's background there. So this is the new feature of Replic, and I really hope that you love it as much as I do. Our team has been working day and night to be able to implement this feature for you guys. And now you can, within a few minutes, with just a few clicks, you can create outreach videos easier than ever before. And if you need something, if you have any feedback, please jump on the chat, let me know. All feedback are welcome, good ones, and feedback where we can improve. I would love to hear that. And enjoy, have fun, and I talk to you soon. Bye.